Peter Sarrowy, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
A mystery.
Oh, definitely.
Your dad, Ali.
Yeah.
Well, let's see, first of all, if we can unpick what happened in the war that clearly was so traumatic. He felt unable, for whatever reason, to share it with his son. This is an image of the Tulagi, which your father was on. He was a seaman in the Merchant Navy and had been working as such throughout the war, more or less. It leaves Australia in March 1944, 54 crew, of which your father is a significant player, a quartermaster. And do you know what the Tulagi was carrying?
Was it flour?
That's right, 1,850 tons of flour.
Yeah.
And what is flour? Incredibly explosive.
Definitely, yeah.
So boom.
Very combustible.
Went up in a matter of moments. Everyone below deck died instantaneously, and just 15 men scrambled onto the lifeboats, including your father.
Yeah.
Extraordinary.
Very lucky man.
For the first 27 days, there was half a biscuit and 12 milk tablets each, and a little bit of chocolate even for the first 6 days, but of course that quickly ran out. You yourself were aware, weren't you, that your father played a very important role?
Yeah.
Have you seen this document before?
No, I don't think I've seen this one, no.
Well, here we have him, Ali Sarrowy. And if we just focus on the highlighted bits, I think it'll give you some idea of the importance, the significance of Ali's role.
Malays improvised a spear from a raft extension and a pair of scissors from a first aid box. It would hardly be possible to explain in words just how they did for the well-being of the party. So, yeah, it's very, very encouraging to hear.
And on the 25th of May, your father came ashore in the Seychelles.
Yeah, definitely.
So we're going to jump now to 1947, and you'll see this letter is from King George to your father. A message from His Majesty the King has been graciously pleased to award you the Medal of the Most Excellent Order of the British Empire in recognition of your outstanding courage after the MV Tulagi had been torpedoed in the Indian Ocean.
It's amazing. To actually get a personal letter from the King. Wow. Speechless.